do you think is going to happen? And then there's you. What do you think is going to happen, my happy boy? What? What do you think is going to happen?